सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोलो शिशिमानंदमयी की जय। जय माँ। Today I am making a potato salad. Okay. Now in this you have to first boil the potatoes, and again the potatoes should not be soggy. When you boil, you just boil enough and take it out so that it is cooked. You know, it should be little hard cubes. You know, I am showing you. See, it should be like this. It should not be mushy. Okay, you can take as many potatoes as you want. How many people are there? That's up to you. But it's basically a potato salad. Okay, so you cut it into cubes. After that, remove the skin. Once it's boiled, then you cut it into cubes, like not very tiny, this size. Okay, so these are the potatoes which are ready. Now I'm making the dressing and showing you, so you see in the bowl. Now because it is potato, you have to take lots of oil, and if you have olive oil, that's the best you can use. You know, I don't have olive oil, so I'm using this, but doesn't matter. You have to take more oil because the potato will soak up everything. Then you put vinegar, अंदाज से 1-2 चम्मच डाल दीजिए. उसके बाद you take mustard paste, you know, like if you have Dijon mustard or any mustard paste, if you have, you take that and throw it in. I like more mustard, so I'm putting little more. It's up to you. Mix it. Then you take your black pepper, throw it, little bit of sugar, that's it, and salt. I take more salt, that you know. Yeah. So once this is done, you mix it nicely. You know, all these salads that I made last time, also the Val salad, once you mix it and everything, put it in the fridge. You have to serve cold. So this potato salad also you have to serve cold, not hot. Okay. So make it a little bit in advance and put it in the fridge. Now see, this dressing is ready. Now in this, you put pudina. I have chopped pudina, washed and chopped, and you throw it in. So the fragrance is very nice of the pudina. Mix it. After this is done, you throw all your potatoes. Mix up. After you mix this, then you take kaju. See, a little bit of kaju. Kaju goes in. Now kaju I roasted, dry roasted on the tawa. Okay. So you just dry roast the kaju on the tawa. So it gives that little nutty flavor, you know, and throw it in. It's a lovely salad. You can have it as a meal also. You know, you can make more potato salad. Sometimes I just have this as a meal in the night, you know, and I don't want to eat anything else. I'll eat this. Then you have your salad patta. So you can put it on the side, just dress it up, you know, the way you want it. Put it anywhere. Put it in the center, you know, salad leaves. This is iceberg, it's not salad leaves. So I've taken iceberg. I prefer iceberg. So just put it in all the corners and make it look pretty. That's the idea. So once all the salad patta ya iceberg goes in, this is called iceberg, okay? It all goes in. Then you take tomato, and I have just sliced it up like this. पतला पतला आप काट लीजिए और ऊपर से सजा दीजिए ऐसे, जितना चाहिए उतना. ओके. So that's that. This is the potato salad. How do you like it? It looks nice, huh? Okay, so that's for today. And now after this is over, you put it in the fridge. And only when you are ready to eat, you take it out. Not before that. Sahana vavatu sahana punattu sahaviryam karvavahe tejasvina vaditamastu ma vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bolo Shri Shimanandamai ki Jai. Jai Ma.